Taking a look at this PUNCUBE. This is a minimalist wallet. This is their 3.0. It's the slim model. In the package, you get the wallet itself. There's a elastic band on the back for cash, or maybe for an Apple tag. On the back, you've got these plastic compartments for keys that can slide in, and they get grabbed by their design here. The lids are kind of hinged, so they're going to last forever. Very solid lockup. And again, this is made for maybe locker keys or smaller keys. You got a room for about 4 keys on the back, and then on the front, there's an elastic pocket here where you can put cards and other items. Quite a bit of elastic to expand there. And you've got a really nice look to it. Nice clean aesthetic for someone who likes a minimalist wallet that can hold an AirTag or cash, cards, keys, all in one from PUNCUBE. Hope this helps.